Hey, this will be a video chart on CBIS. Very nice looking chart, and I've been meaning to get a video up on this for the past couple of days, but just haven't been able to get around to it till now. So what I'm going to do is just pretty much break down support resistances and go over what we should be looking for from a technical viewpoint for this upcoming week. So the first thing to note is just that nice little kind of textbook move it made here. We had this big move here, and then we had a sideways day, and you can see that volume did decrease on that day. The next day was another sideways day right there. You can see that volume dropped off even more. And then on the breakout days where it started to head back up, you can see volume increased. So this is a perfect example of volume analysis, how you want to see volume act in accordance with the price of stock. So once more, when it was breaking out, you can see volume was increasing. On the two sideways days, volume decreased, and then when it started to go back up, volume started to increase once again. So just a nice textbook example there. So now in terms of the chart, let's just break down some supports and resistances. The first area of support is going to be right here, which is just simply based on the previous high that this chart was trying to get through, which is at 0.129. Call it 13 cents if you want it, if you don't want to. So this is going to be the first key level. Now I'm going to leave this line a skinny green, just because ideally it'd be great if this level could hold, but if it can't, it's not the end of the world because there's still plenty of supports below it. So just keep that in mind. Yes, this is technically a support, but as you can see, the price didn't close that much above it. So if the price were to get below it, don't go jumping out of any windows or anything like that. The next area of support is just going to also be right around here, the 12-cent region, mainly due to the fact that once more it was a previous high. It was where the bears put up some resistance on October 14th. So once more, this will also be an area of support. And now we're getting to more of an important one, meaning this is a level that if this is a genuinely strong move, and this level should have no problem holding, and that is going to be down here at the level which is at 0.094, 0.095, somewhere right around there. So I'm going to make this line thicker to represent that being a very important area of support. And what I mean by a true genuine move, this chart gives us a great example. On its first move where it made this big jump here, I would have said this is the support level that really needs to hold if this is a genuinely strong move. And you can see that when it did pull back, it bounced, it tried to pull back again, never retested it, and then it headed back up. So same thing here. I mean, if we think about it, the price could come down here, do some consolidating, and head back up, and that would then give us the ability to simply have a set of lows here, and then our other set would be down in this area. This set of lows is higher than this one, and then we can draw the uptrend line, and we're good to go. We all want to see uptrends, assuming we're long. So these are going to be the support levels. Now the resistance level on this one is pretty easy, and maybe you can't see it quite clear, but if I shrink up the chart here, you'll be able to see very clearly where the next key area of resistance is. This bad boy up here is a 200-day simple moving average. For people that are unfamiliar with technical analysis, there's kind of two moving averages that pretty much everybody knows about and everybody puts on their charts, and that is a 50-day and 200-day simple moving average. So this one right here, it's valued at 16 cents. This is going to be the next key level of resistance. I'm not even going to map out any other ones because one step at a time. Let's see if the bulls can keep this nice upwards move and get above, but more importantly, start to close above this level. If they could do that and turn it into a support level, then that's going to be a great sign of strength from the bulls. They've been doing a great job so far, but this is always a big test and usually a pretty difficult test to get through. But the good news is, the more difficult it is to get through, usually the bigger and harder it runs if it can get through that point. So we'll see over the next couple of weeks if it can get above this and get some closes above it, and if we can turn this into a support level, that's really going to bode well for the chart and bring in quite a few new eyes, I'd imagine. So if there are any other questions on the chart, please let me know. If not, I'd encourage you to check out bullwarriorstocks.com. If you go there and sign up for the free newsletter, you'll be sent a free ebook, and with the newsletter subscription, you'll get chart setups, trade ideas, educational pieces, all sorts of things from penny stocks up to big board. So there's a good variety, something for everybody. It is all free. We've been making some good money together, so I'd encourage you to head to the website, sign up, and give it a try. One more time, this was CBIS. Thanks for listening and enjoy your weekends.